How to upload image using Node.js in 2 minutes. In VS Code, click on New File, select text file, save it in your desktop, create new folder, upload app, and save it as index.html there. Type HTML5: press tab, and save it. Click Explorer, open folder, and in desktop, select Upload App and click Open. Go to index.html. Inside the body section, create a form, set action to localhost :5000/upload, method post, and type to multipart form data. Inside that, create 2 inputs. The first one is of type file and its name is image. Second one is of type submit and the caption is upload. Click on Explorer, right-click New File, index.js. Let's create upload server. Import Express and Express file upload package. Then create app from Express and use file upload from Express file upload. Then define a handler for upload endpoint. Inside that, get the image from the file import in index.html and define the upload path. We concatenate current path with the file name that is going to be uploaded. Close the opening parentheses and move the uploaded file to this path. If there is an error, show error message. Otherwise, show this message, file uploaded. Next step is sending index.html for the website. The last step is launching the server by calling app.listen and define the port 5000 as the port number. Save the code, open your terminal, and npm install express and express-file upload. Move app.get outside of the post handler and run node dot to launch the application. Control-click on the link, and there we are. Let's test it. Select a file, find the file, open, and upload. File uploaded. Go back to VS Code, and there we are. A1 has been uploaded to the server.